In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to connect HyperX Quadcast to Xbox. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. The HyperX Quadcast is a USB microphone. It is primarily designed for PC, and it can also be used on PlayStation consoles. However, if you try to connect it directly to an Xbox console through any of the available USB ports, it simply is not going to be picked up. So in this video, I'm going to give you a workaround that is going to allow you to use the HyperX Quadcast on your Xbox console. It is unfortunate that you have to do this workaround, but because of the incompatibility, you will have to go through it if you want to use the microphone. So you will need a 3.5 millimeter male-to-male audio cable. You need an Y-splitter cable with one female and two male 3.5 millimeter jacks, and finally the Xbox One stereo headset adapter. So first, connect one end of the 3.5 millimeter male-to-male cable to the headphone jack of the Quadcast. Connect the other end to the female jack of the Y-splitter. So now the Quadcast is going to be connected to the Y-splitter. Now plug the Xbox One stereo headset adapter into your controller and connect one male jack of the Y-splitter to the audio input of the adapter. So the Y-splitter is going to be coming out of the adapter. Now that this is done, connect your headset to the other male jack of the Y-splitter. With all of these devices connected, turn on your Xbox and the Quadcast microphone. If you go over to the Xbox audio settings, you will be able to choose it as the headset mic. Now you can use it as the input device. Keep in mind that this method may compromise audio quality, and depending on which adapters you use, they might not recognize the devices. Make sure that you are purchasing a high quality adapter, and as long as you connect them properly by setting up the male-to-male audio cable, the Y-splitter, and the Xbox One stereo headset adapter, the microphone will be able to be picked up and used as the input device. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect HyperX Quadcast to Xbox. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.